The city reported 13 more presumptive malaria infections today. The hospital authorities said the accumulated number of hospitalized malaria patients have been risen to 58. Meanwhile, Hong Kong registered more than 4,600 new COVID infections. Christy Khan reports.
Health officials said 13 more travelers who arrived from Guinea yesterday tested preliminary positive for malaria. The infected patients are working for the same company. The Department of Health had earlier conducted malaria screening for 90 arrivals who work for the company at quarantine hotels. More than 20 of them were found to be infected. So far, 58 malaria patients have been hospitalized. One patient is in critical condition and 2 are in serious condition.
For
some of the arrivals, they didn't test positive to malaria yesterday. We called them to check up on them to see how they're doing, to find out whether they have symptoms. Yesterday, one patient passed away. Today, there's another patient in a critical condition. They may have felt discomfort for a number of days. They may have dismissed the symptoms.
The authorities call on people who have symptoms like a minor headache and minor chills to seek medical treatment as soon as possible if they returned from malaria-prone regions, and also to take suitable precautions if visiting such destinations.
This is for people traveling to those places. They need to be on long-term medication to protect themselves from malaria.
Meanwhile, the city logged 4,602 new COVID infections, including 280 imported cases. 4 more COVID-related deaths have been reported. 3 more residential care homes recorded coronavirus cases, and some of the residents and staff members must now undergo a quarantine period. 2 more schools will have to suspend some of the classes for a week after more students from the same class were infected. Christy Khan, TVB News.